Hello Virgo, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekly reading for Virgo, Sun, Moon and Rising from April 13th to April 18th. Okay, so Virgo, I'm going to use the Lenormand. I'm going to pull you one card for the overall energy for the week. Then I'll be pulling out 5 cards for you from the Gilded Tarot, which is the past energy, the current energy, your hopes and fears, the obstacle and the outcome, okay, for the week. And I'll be clarifying with the Everyday Tarot here, okay. So Virgos, this new moon was very powerful and we are still in this transition phase here, okay. So I think you got death, right? So death is the energy you got for the new moon spread, okay. I still remember that reading. So I think you're going through this transition, and this week you could be getting some kind of information that is going to help you out understand what's happening, why it's happening, and this could be some kind of a destined connection here, okay. So that's a lot of cards here, Spirit. I need one card. What's the overall energy? Oh my god, the cards are just pulling out. I cannot handle it. Okay. The bear came out for you, Virgo. Okay, the bear is the Ten of Wands here. Okay, number 6. So this is some kind of a burdensome situation you are in. Okay, hiding something, hiding your emotions or in deep thoughts. And the bear could also be some kind of a wildish exterior, but it just is so softy, right? But it can also be very, very wild, right? So you're dealing with someone that's like very, very controlling, very, very overbearing. That's what I'm getting. Overbearing, smothering. Maybe you're smothering someone or they're smothering you, okay. This is like a very, very mothering kind of an energy I'm getting here, okay. So let's see, Virgo. If you're pregnant and if you're carrying a child, you could be very much involved in taking care of your kid right now, okay. You could be child-proofing your house. You want to protect your kids, you want to protect your space and keep them very, very safe, okay. You could also have someone who is like that in your space right now, Virgo, for this week, okay. So Virgos, one more. Wow, King of Cups, beautiful. King of Cups is your overall energy. King of Cups, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio or a Pisces. This could be you too, Virgo, okay. This person is very caring, this person is actually, big Cancers can be very, very mothering, okay. They just protect you, they just love you, they care for so much, they can be very smothering, okay. You could be dealing with this person right now in your space, Virgo. So your past energy is the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. The Devil in reverse is your current energy. 8 of Swords in reverse is your hopes and fears. Your obstacle is the 6 of Wands in reverse. Wow, and the outcome is the 7 of Swords in reverse. Oh, I have the King of Wands in reverse. And the Wheel in reverse. Okay. Virgos, you have got all the cards in reverse, number 1 thing. And number 2 is you could be coming out of someone that was very toxic for you, a situation that was very controlling, very manipulative, very egotistic. If you were stuck to a relationship, this could have been narcissism, or this could have been control, jealousy, or this could have been someone that was an alcoholic. I'm getting addiction, okay. Or this could be a narcissist too, Virgos. Okay, you're getting out of the situation in this week, okay. I think you have already gotten out, okay. With the 5 of Pentacles and the Devil in reverse, this was a codependent situation, okay. You could have been codependent on them, okay. Maybe you are afraid of being alone, or they were afraid of being alone. They wanted the power over you. They wanted to keep you. I'm getting possession, yeah. Possession, someone possessed you. That's what I'm getting. Someone possessed you, okay. See, being possessive is okay, but being a possession is not right, okay? You cannot give everybody the power to control you, to manipulate you, okay? To keep you stuck. I think this was a very, very serious toxic relationship for you. Could have been even a job, or if you're stuck, if you were, because I'm not telling you're stuck here, because you were stuck, okay? You were stuck. Maybe you had a lot of fears, lot of mental trauma. You could have gone through a lot in this relationship. You know, when we are very immature, when we fall in love in 20 years, in that time, we think that the other person is our world, right? We think that when we be together with them, when we have them, that's the end of the world for us. I think that's the energy I'm getting here, okay? You kept forgiving someone, you kept keeping them control, you pleased them, you did everything they said, okay? You obeyed them. Oh, I'm getting a very, very, very controlling energy here. Let's clarify, Virgo. I think someone is out of the situation. So let's check out. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. What's the Devil in reverse, Spirit? What's the Devil in reverse for Virgo? 8 of Wands. I don't know. The 8 of Wands came like this, so I'm just going to keep it like this. The 8 of Wands. Okay. The 8 of Swords here in reverse. What's the 8 of Swords in reverse for Virgo? King of Cups. Wow. You have the King of Cups. Okay. 6 of Wands in reverse. Page of Cups. Okay. Why is the 7 of Swords in reverse as the outcome for Virgo? 7 of Swords in reverse as the outcome for Virgo. Ace of Cups and 3 of Cups in reverse. Okay. Okay. This is a very specific reading for Virgos that are in love with someone that is already taken or already single. Okay. Sorry, already taken and they are not single. Okay. Someone was obsessed about another person here, the King of Cups. This could be you, this could be the other person here, Virgo. Okay, you could have a Scorpio, Cancer or Pisces in your chart, or you could be chasing a Cancer, Scorpio or a Pisces. Okay, this man, okay, whoever this man in your life is, or whoever this male figure is you're obsessed with them or they're obsessed with you, and they could have hidden the truth that they were not single. They already had a relationship, because the the Queen of Cups in reverse, the 5 of Cups in reverse, the 10 of Pentacles and the King of Cups here. Okay, so this person could have been married. Yeah, this person could be married and they did not tell you the truth. Maybe you were obsessed with offering the cup here over and over and again, pleasing them, going after them, chasing them, because you wanted this love or you wanted this connection. Okay, this could have been someone that was repeatedly going and chasing this person to commit, but they were in love with another person or they already were taken. I get this reading here. Okay, so the end of the reading is 7 of Swords in reverse. Okay, 7 of Swords is a person who is greedy. Okay, a greedy, a liar, a cheater, a deceptive person. Okay, they could have been very, very unfaithful here. Okay, this could have been a long distance connection too. Okay, someone did not tell you that they were married. Someone did not tell you that they were in a relationship. This is definitely a cheating scenario. Okay, cheating may not be physical. Okay, cheating could be even emotional. Okay, you need You need to talk to someone, okay, other than your spouse, other than your girlfriend or boyfriend. Even when you talk to someone else, it's cheating, okay. It need not be that you need to have sex to be a cheater, okay. No, cheating could be emotional too, but I think this was an emotional cheating for sure. The Five of Pentacles reverse and the Nine of Pentacles reverse, this person is not ready to get in a relationship with you because this person is not single, okay. They could have lied to you, Virgo. I need to clarify what is this Page of Cups with the Six of Wands in reverse, okay. I'm getting that this person wanted to be the chosen one, okay. They did not want you staying with their marriage, or they were trying to apologize repeatedly because for the victory here, okay. They wanted to have this victory with you, but it's not happening. Three of Pentacles, yeah. This could be someone at work, or this is definitely a love triangle here. With the Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups in reverse, someone was already taken, another person wanted to build a life with this, or this person wanted to have a life with them. They repeatedly chased, they repeatedly apologized, and it's not happening, okay. Why is the Ace of Cups here, Spirit? The Ace of Cups for me could also be a reconciliation card, okay. So someone wants to reconcile. Seven of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups in reverse. Yeah, someone was doing the chasing here, was offering this cup because they wanted someone could be their wish fulfillment too, okay, because they thought this new love. This could have been someone you were in love with, or you fell in love with suddenly. Could have been a friend, could have been a colleague, and you didn't know that they were in love, okay. But I think this week you knew, or you're getting it out. They could be rejecting you, okay, or this could have been a past person in your life, someone you knew for a long time. I'm sorry, Virgo. When I said that this person could have been someone you knew, that's what I'm getting, okay. This person could have been the chaser too, but you didn't know that you were the third party here, okay. They were already investing, or they were already invested in a situation, okay. You could be finding out, you could be deciding to walk away and not be in this third party situation, okay. You know that you're not getting this victory out. See, sometimes, some people just be in your life to get that attention, okay. They want that attention. They could be feeling really, really good when you get that attention. See, I wanted to clarify what was this Eight of Wands, and I got the Ten of Swords here, okay. So I know you found out that this was a person who was jealous of you. This could have been a narcissist too, okay. Someone who keeps chasing people, who keeps, that a cycle of love bombing. That's what I'm getting. This could have been a love bombing situation, okay. The King of Cups could be very, very emotional. They said that they care for you, they love you, they protect you, but this is sometimes not good, okay. Sometimes this can be toxic also. I'm not getting good vibes at all for you, Virgo, okay. So if you are chasing someone, or someone is chasing you, but they're not giving you the commitment, okay. They could be repeatedly pursuing you, because someone likes to chase, but when they are ready to commit, they are not ready to commit because they are afraid of loving, or they are already taken. Because the Nine of Pentacles in reverse is this person is already in a relationship, okay. They need not be in a love partnership. They could be in a situation tip too, okay, that they are not ready to come out of the marriage because they are settled there, okay. But they are not having this emotional connection, or this emotional connection with that person. They wanted it with you because there's a lot of love cards here, right? A lot of cups. Ace of Cups, Three of Cups, Nine of Cups, Page of Cups, King of Cups, okay. So this could be a love, totally in love, but all the cups are in the past, okay. So all the cups are in the past. So this could be a cheating scenario too. Definitely you were in love, or you fell in love, and that turned out to be an infidelity situation too. But you're getting out of it, Virgo. You're finally saying that you don't want to be in this cheating scenario. You don't want to be in this toxic situation, toxic runner chaser dynamic also, okay. I hope this reading resonated with you, Virgo. Thank you.